Ciao. Ciao. Live executions. Here we are. Camera glitching. 1 second. Oh, there you go. Okay. I purposely stayed away from the chart at the open because volatility is strong, and I want a high probability setup, not gambling. So that's why I'm staying away. Thank you for watching my previous video and commenting. I appreciate the comments. Thank you. So we need to catch up. I need to catch up what's happening. I let the first 15 minutes of price go by and now try to form a bias for the session. We do it together and see what happens. Doesn't have to take long, but this is empty apparently. Okay, so we are daily candles. We swept one level, not the next. Okay. We did sweep this. That's a big sweep, by the way. Major level. And we left this one unswept yet. That's also a big level, right? Okay. So daily is, previous day has been swept, which is very, very significant. And we swept an old area. See, we're reacting to it very strongly. Okay. Okay, I see big moves happening. So this is here. We did sweep. And this is the next. Okay. 4 hour. It doesn't want to do it. I'm stuck. Am I stuck? Okay, buttons don't work. Okay, it was just slow. Okay, 4 hour. Okay, we had this gigantic sweep of daily level. A 4 hour candle will end soon, in 11 minutes. Seems like it's retracing. What did we do here? We did sweep in small candle, tried to close above, we couldn't, came back to rebalance or to hit percentage of this level, quadrant of this level, 25%. We hit 25% of this level, see, 25 to the tick, and then close below, small retrace down. Now how this closes will be telling, of course. If we close below here, it's one message. If we revert this candle and becomes a green candle and a doji candle, it's a different message. We keep an eye of it where it closes. It seems to me a bearish continuation. The sweep has happened. The sweep of an important daily level has happened. There could be a level of retracement. It's unclear. Okay. Hourly. We have a forming engulfing candle that we will close in 10 minutes. So that's might be worth waiting for. We swept, See, we did sweep. And now we are in this engulfing, developing candle with volume, by the way, because I added a volume threshold. There's a lot of volume in this, so closing above would be a hint of a strong volume move. Anyway, not needed for now. We have to wait the next 10 minutes. Okay, we're just going to go through it very slow because I don't want. By the way, I need to buy. You do you. I wanted to use a Sierra. So I would like to trade for this AM session and evaluation because I've done 430 euros profit for the morning during London. I have no intention of giving those profits back, so I don't want to trade my personal account. Even though microphone was far away, I'm sorry. I hope you could hear me with a lower volume. Let's see if they let me extend a new evaluation. And while we do it, we look at the price. So we check the 4-hour, we check the hourly, we checked the, and now we look at the 15 minutes. Let's see if I can activate an account. This one. It's loading. How many weeks? Huh? So there is SMT, as people were mentioning. Whoa. SMT. That is a divergence with ES. And want to do, wait 1 second, I want to get Sierra chart. Somehow it's very slow. This clicking around, seems to be sluggish. The candle is still sweep. We need to close. We have 6 minutes. This will be a bearish engulfing, right? If it closes like this, it swept both sides. So we will either a bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing. I have no stake in this because I have no trade on, luckily. And this open seems to be wild. Look at this, up and down and up and down and up and down. And this is the stuff people will get smashed for. But ES is very clear, it's going down, so Nasdaq will probably now go down. VIX is 24. That's terror in the market. Okay, let me see if I can complete this. Complete. I click the button and then nothing is happening. See if anything will happen. Okay, I click the button. Okay, maybe I bought it. Let's see if they activate it in time. I have time till, the setup will present itself, maybe. Okay, so I looked a little bit at the 15 minutes. It seems there's a reaction to this fair value gap. And it seems it has held price in the 15 minutes. Go to the blue box. And ES is moving lower. There's still SMT, crazy. Okay. I think I have a new one, a new evaluation that I can try to pass. Okay, then what do I see? So we see the development. We have 4 minutes until we know if you're bullish or bearish engulfing. And panic in the market. How is Bitcoin doing? Right, oh, wait. Let me move this here. This is my main screen. Well, okay, we'll see what the Bitcoin does. Let's go to 5 minutes so that we don't rush into things and understand the structure of the market first. What do we need? 6-to-1 model. Balances. 939 candle. The 9 model still hasn't breached the 6-to-9 range because we put in this low at 825, which is nice. This is the first 5-minute imbalance, and this is the 15-minute imbalance, right? Okay, that's what we need on this. And for the mechanical range, we came back to the 50%, rebalanced this, continued, and now there's a little bit of wicking. Okay, I should have an account now. Let's see if I can open Sierra. I might need to do something like this. Give me a second. I remember this time. Otherwise, you see some of my IDs. Connected. Okay, I got one account. I can trade. And it's this. All right. Okay. I can now take trades. Maybe remove the targets so that we're free, and want to do 5 minis. 5 minis. Okay, maybe 3, maybe 5. We'll see. Okay, sorry. Right. Okay. So we're looking at the market, trying to get a feel for what's happening. The first imbalance after. Yeah, that was not 9:30 actually. So I said something wrong. Let me do it this way. Color my bars. I need help. There's no imbalance in 5 minutes yet. Okay. Let me check the 1 minute. Keep an eye on what's happening on. Yes, it's going down. I mean, generally, ES is the 100 tons gorilla that drags everybody around. So if ES is going down, NQ is just waiting, and then it's gonna go down. So okay, this is the open. This, yeah, it's interesting. There's a volume imbalance here. I wonder what the leader of the pack would say about this volume imbalance. It's N and Q, by the way. Why did M was doing Q and not M and Q? Let's do it. Strange. Very strange. Okay, so 9:30. See, it's less pronounced. This is 9:36. The very first imbalance on 1 minute. And we sliced it and diced it. Okay, so very not useful 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, we broke down. Yeah, I thought so. I thought we would break down new early open, bearish engulfing, 10. Look, the model I always talk about, right? Do I have it? Does it show? Yeah, okay. okay. Check. See if you could go short immediately at the close, like I explained in the model, how many points that will be. Oh, look. Very funny. My statistical model's playing out without me. Okay. So we were looking at imbalances. The first imbalance was that one. Right, so we have it marked. Doesn't seem that relevant for now. Then this one also doesn't seem very relevant. Now the 15-minute one seems to be the one that held the price. And we have okay. Let's see. So this engulfing one happened. We have a sweep and a close, and it actually is a very heavy bearish close. Yeah. Then down it is. So for market structure, just to review, where are we with market structure? Okay. So we're tracking. We are tracking. There's a new zone in development. We broke this level. Continuation low. There's a line missing here, right? I would say the new protected level will become this one once we have a valid pullback. Soonish. So it seems we had switched to a bullish on market structure on 1 minute. There's really something going on, of some kind of lag that I have. Yeah, so this is the switch in market structure. We're now bearish. Now this high is the protected high. And what we would like to see, now the close is very heavy. And 10 is where things are obviously often clarified. So I don't want to go down to the 15 minutes yet. 15 seconds yet. Yeah, if there would be some reaction on the SNDR, there might be an idea for a trade. Of course, we're looking for shorts, right? Would it make sense that price reverts Okay, okay. We're looking, I would say, you know, there's an SNDR, the area responsible for this, breaking this structure. So the areas we're interested in are this, 50% of this, 50% of this. Let me mute the stuff, otherwise it always beeps. 50% of these are my interest. This area could be interesting. And then all right. Keep an eye on imbalances created by breaching this big level like this one. This is worth keeping in our view. And keep in mind that this small move looks small move. It's what's it? 80 points. Volatility is on the high side. Okay, it's worth remembering so that we can structure our trades properly. Let me turn on one of my indicators, which is how big is the last swing. Yeah, so this will tell us this last swing probably going to be a lot of points. Okay, so this is 5 minutes. Well, getting it right, if this range is already 70 points, 30 points is enough to do a maximum possible win on an evaluation. So if we can capture half of this range, we're already done. So if we get it correctly, like here, for example, now it's failing to take this low and it's doing a double bottom. I think we have to look for shorts, though that's the want to be very flexible with our bias, because that sometimes is what gets us stuck, and that makes us I take wrong trades because of it. So we don't want that. I don't want that. Let me move my face to the left. Okay, so we have found some short-term levels. So to be honest, the target for where this drop could stop, we haven't checked, right? We haven't thought too long about possible targets where price could reverse. We did breach the previous day low and some daily levels that we mentioned. It could be worth to check. We were looking at the daily candles, right? So in a second. Okay, there's still quite some way to go for the. Ooh, this is back in the day. We are at a. Yeah, could go down a bit more. There's other interesting daily candles we can hit. I'll mark them. One is this one. This was an interesting one. These are all daily levels, so see if I can. I might need to drag them. Oh, we are moving very fast to them. Okay, very good. I'm sorry. I'm dragging more lines so that we can capture. There is some lag, so stuff is not appearing. Ah, it's so frustrating. Okay. Here it is. Ah, there you go. It was not showing up. 1 and 2. Okay, these are more daily levels we could reach for before turning. It seems a bloodbath for the markets today. Minus 1.5% is Nasdaq. Okay. Did we make an attempt to flip? That's so okay. We made an attempt to a conscious attempt to flip. I've noticed that on 15 seconds there's a very different ways where the price will pretend it's changing its market structure and then it's fake. I expect that to happen a few times. So we should only look for shorts. And then if the thing hits us in the head, we're gonna switch bias. So until 10:30 we try short. 10:50 we'll see how it behaves. And then if it really wants and start reversing after confirmation, we will see what happens. Probably short. Okay, so now as we say, we had a pullback and a continuation. This now becomes a new zone. On the 15 seconds, we are now going up. This is an SPS 10-12. This is our opportunity to think about a short. Right? Double tap into the SNDR at 50% of this zone with a lot of momentum. So do you want to wait for a fake out double tap and do it at 10:30, or do you want to do it now? Target 116. What would be the risk? Okay, it's only 100 points. And if I wanted to risk 1,000, sorry, 1,000. How many contracts would this mean? 16. What would I need to make it 20? So these are micros, so I'm going to use minis. So that will be 2 minis. So 25 point stop. This is an SPS, right? So the count 1, 2, 3, 4. Close below here. Could go with the 5 and go for the continuation. How much do I need for 1,500 profit? I don't need a lot. This one. This would be enough. If we enter with 20, with 2 minis, 38 points would be enough. It seems a lot of volatility, so we could try to increase. I can't do alpha unless I go to micros, but let's do 25, right? Okay, so, okay, this is good. This is a good 5, right? This is a good 5. So let's go short. 2 more. Yeah, we go short. We protect ourselves now with that high. Sell, buy, stop. 2. Let's see. I did enter, possibly a bit lower than that. And I put the stop. This was not the right entry. I want to put the profit correctly though. So how many points we need? 38. Hey, it's going. Buy limit. I will show you the execution. If it goes first, it entered because I marketed at much lower. So it entered at, my executions are perfect. What are you saying? Okay, this is my entry. This is my entry. 25 point stop. Hey, it's going. Nice. How much? Hey, it's hitting my limit. Okay, we'll go break even. Let's close it. Flatten. How much? Yeah, I mismanaged this so badly. We're close to the. Yeah, let's redo it. Re-enter another short. Now let it retrace a bit. 10-15. So I'm in again. Yeah, I might want to continue until 10:30. That's possible. Okay, we're in profit. 15 points. Oh, nice. Yeah, we caught it. Did I do 1500? 2200. I made too much. Let me show it to you. Live recorded. A billion points. So I entered. So we had a good read. This was the continuation. This is a lot of points. Would have been nice to take on my personal account or the funded ones. Let me show you the execution I have here. Let's do it. So this is where I entered on the. I was dead? No. Okay, this is where I entered. Something is happening with my computer. So I shorted. I wanted to enter on this double top. So the 5 was actually up here. I hate it when it does that. Okay. So I entered 19950. Yeah. So I marked it, and the target. If I would have entered a bit better, the objective was to make 38 points. But then at the dilly-dallying there, I did close it, and I will make it. Okay. So I needed this to make 1500. See, 1520. I click. Well, when it was cleared, it was going down. I clicked short again, and there you go. We hit the price that I thought we would go for. That's good. No hindsight here. That was nice. Why didn't it say 1? No, 1 + 1 and then 1 + 1. So it did them sequentially. Okay, so I want to show you also the result of the new evaluation. Somehow the mouse is not showing. I don't know what's happening. 1 second. Cash balance. This is done with. I did too much, unfortunately. I don't want to lose. So new evaluation 50,000, and then we did 2,200. The maximum is 1,500. So we're going to be punished because of this. But I need to make now the next day. They will add 700 to my target. It doesn't matter. So we will have to pretend that our target is 3,700, or I purposely lose. Okay, how long was this? Half an hour. Okay, we caught a nice continuation. We called it. We said we would look for it. We did a higher time frame analysis, but in the end, it was just a little bit market structure and waiting for the right time. We entered that. Yeah, 10:14. That's a good time for a short. Okay, I would say AM session is good. Is in a good place for me. I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry about a few minutes with the microphone. It was not properly a bit far away, and we did analysis, and then we used just basic market structure to execute. This was a big trade, by the way. If I would have done it in. I only need the 1,500, but otherwise we could have used other mechanics to trail. like, I do have some ribbon here. Where's the ribbon? Would we still be in the trade? Let's see. Market structure. Market structure was on point. See, it was automatically marked by my indicator. Ah, there's two. Well, that's why it was. Yeah, so if we would have moved our stop at this level and then trail it, we would still be in. Okay. It's worth checking where this will stop. Okay, go back to the bust. Is there music? Okay, you have music. Well, I appreciate you sticking with me. Another successful execution called live, executed live, shown and mismanaged, but we're doing progress. We're doing profits every day, calling it as it happens. And stuff is playing, sorry. What? Yeah, okay. Stuff is playing. All right, whatever. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I talk to you soon.